Hey y'all, Brother Dave's Hillbilly Homestead, breaking a sweat today. It is warm and humid. Just gonna give you guys a brief update as to where we are. Hey Guppy, you want to be in the video? Not just yet. Okay. All right, well, mulch madness continues. And really this is kind of a year-long thing. I want to get as much organic material as possible into this whole garden to increase the organic content and raise the level of the ground at least 3 or 4 inches. And that might take 2 or 3 years with grass clippings, but it'll be a rich organic soil at that point. The corn is doing splendidly. It all came up. And I don't know if I mentioned it in my last video, but the first planting that I did was followed 2 days later by a torrential downpour that compacted the soil all around all those new corn seeds, and not a single one came up. Why? They were smothered. There was no oxygen down by the corn. They didn't hatch. So upon replanting, with correct watering, everything came up within 4 or 5 days. We got some cantaloupes and honeydews going on here. Oh yeah, they're kind of hard to see, but there's a few in there. Oh, there's one way up on the corner there. You might be able to catch it with that little tan. You can see his tan line. All right, a bunch of little green ones in there. We getting lots of golden peas. My hunch that there was going to be a cooler than normal June / part of July was correct. So those peas that were planted late, they delivered. And those golden peas are actually a short season crop. They'll go about 60 days and you got lots of peas. Watermelons. Doggy, there's a little watermelon. We don't expect to see those ripen up until, oh, and there's another one. There's about 4 or 5 or 6 of them in here now. We don't expect those to ripen up until around, mid to the end of August. And they're huge. They get about 2 feet wide. Now up in here, first part of the garden to get planted, it is overgrown with good stuff. Hardly any weeds. There's a few in there I got to get rid of. And we can see that the butternut squash is doing well for the most part, minus these 3 on the end here that are deep into the sawdust. And they are putting out some fairly nice looking squash. These are bigger than the usual butternut squash. By about twice. By about double the size. They'll get anywhere from 2 to 3 feet long. But today's harvest was all about zucchini, yellow squash, and cucumbers. And yeah, I know I let some of them cucumbers stay on there a little long, but I'll get seeds out of those cucumbers. You get your seeds from your cucumbers when they turn yellow, preferably dark orange like this. That means that the seeds are mature and ready to be harvested. And I left a few of the yellow squash on the vine so that they'll just go and go and go until they turn a dark orange color and then start to turn soft. And once they start to turn soft, your seeds are ready. Same with the zucchini. I left a few on there. Couple of 3-footers. Yeah, I got a couple of zucchinis 3 feet long. I left them on there because they'll produce a lot of seeds. Really didn't need more than one, but one's for seeds and the other one's for backup. Alrighty. Well, I need to get back to the cabin and start doing some processing. I got a lot of food to put away, and truth be told, 75% of that zucchini is going to get given away one way or the other. Where's Guppy? Hey Guppy, you want to be in the video? Come here, girl. Come on. All right, Guppy's in the video now. All right, good girl, Guppy. All right. Brother Dave here. I love you. God loves you. You know Guppy loves all y'all. Bye now.